Nessa Sunshine here on this Curly Wednesday. I am a channel that does beauty, mostly makeup tutorials, and on Wednesdays we do hair. Today we are getting into the Garnier Fructis Curl Treat products. I have picked up the Hydrating Butter and the Shaping Jelly. So we'll get into these stylers today and see how they work and see how we like them. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the shower, do a no poo and one condition from my DevaCurl, and I'm actually going to use the Garnier Fructis Smoothing Treat 1 minute hair mask as a longer than 1 minute. I'm actually gonna use it for a little while for my mask today, and then I will come back with wet hair to style in a moment. So if you want to see how this all works out well, subscribe to my channel and let's get into the hair video. And we're back. I'll first be taking the Curl Treat Hydrating Butter. I don't know exactly how much to take because it is in a jar. That confuses me. I do feel like I have a lot. This is thicker than Supercream. The consistency, it's much thicker. It is called a butter. Okay, so I'm going to start at my ends. I will put that there. It is very thick. Very, very thick. I'm moving the product from the tips up, not to the root, but close. Okay, this is making me a little nervous. Maybe I should have got the smoothie instead. I do have, like, each individual hair is pretty thick, so I figured, okay, my hair is definitely not fine, so I wanted to get the butter. And I'll coat the strands of hair with it. My hair still feels pretty dry. It's not super easy for me to use, and it might just be that I need to get the smoothie and not the butter. So it's supposed to be hydrating, and my hair does feel kind of not hydrating. Now that I have that, we'll get into the jelly. This is the Garnier Fructis Curl Treat Shaping Jelly. This jelly is for all hair types, as the butter was for only normal to coarse hair. This is weird. This does feel like jelly. It feels like my hands are being put into strawberry jelly. Ugh. This feels so thick as a gel. It smells like flake plastic tropical island. Not a fan of the smell. I'm gonna smooth this over. A little goes a long way. Help, I put way too much. It's so thick, and I'm used to putting a lot more product in my hair. This is a life lesson right here. When products feel extra thick, maybe I should just use like a quarter of the size of what I normally use. I've always been the type of person to go overboard instead of underboard. I'll get a little too much before I know how to actually work with something. Remove some with my Diva microfiber towel. Clearly, this is a try-on, not a review. I'm still learning, you guys. I am going to plop my hair for 15 minutes, let it air dry for most of the day, and then I will diffuse the rest and then come back when it's all dry. Let's see if I've weighed down my curls. So, I'll be back. Here's my before. Here's my before. And let's see what happens after. Here's the side of my head. Here is the side of my head. There's the back of my head. And we have finally dried our hair, put some makeup on for a separate video. If you want to see that, go ahead and click up there. I don't love it, but I do like this product, the Hydrating Butter, and I think I might not like this product, the jelly. That's one thing I did want to say. This could definitely be weighing it down. I think I would mix the product with water so that it goes into my hair easier, and then this just makes it weighed down. Because I did put quite a lot of this, I would use a whole lot less of this, and I'd probably do that same sort of thing, mix it with water, which is actually pretty cool because these are giant jars and you could mix them with water and then you can get a whole lot more use out of them. If I did use water with it and I use a whole lot less, I might end up liking this because it does have a really good hold. I feel like my curls are very defined and very held. I was very wrong in the application of putting that much. I want to try the smoothie though now because I'm like, what if that works better? I do feel like there's a lot of definition, which is really awesome. I feel like my hair looks really like saturated and moisturized, which is fantastic. That's it for this video today. I hope you enjoyed my first impressions of the Curl Treat Hydrating Butter and the jelly. If you did like this Curly Wednesday video, know that I do curly hair videos on Wednesdays, and then my channel is focused on beauty and mainly makeup. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram as well, why not, at nessachicas, and I will see you guys later. Bye! Bye now.